Hi everybody, this is me again here, Runar from Iceland, modern string. I have to catch my breath a little bit because I came here running and then I started recording, but well, never mind. It's quite windy here, but now I'm actually located in the beautiful town of Akureyri in Iceland. So I've been traveling a bit around the country, but so now I'm here at Akureyri. But anyways, what I'm going to do today is something a little bit different from what I've done in my other videos. I am actually going to go through the process of how to make a jig to make a ukulele. It's the clamping jig for the sides of the ukulele, and it's quite necessary to know how to put this together in order to set up the ukulele so it doesn't become crooked. I know some people go ahead and try and build their ukuleles without using a jig, but what usually happens is the ukulele actually gets twisted and you get lots of problems with the ukulele afterwards, and it becomes really difficult to set up. So anyways, setting up a jig is what I'm going to do today, and then hopefully soon I'll go into making more videos about the workshop itself. But I need to redo the workshop because it's actually hasn't been set up properly. But hopefully soon you'll see those videos, and if you have subscribed, then of course you would see those videos. They'll probably get posted on your wall or something like that. But follow me on Modern String at Facebook and you'll also see them there. So anyways, thank you and bye bye.